How do you decide that it's time to harvest? Who can tell me that? Juice?
When your sugar levels hit a certain threshold.
Correct. And the measurement for that is BRIX, right? Because wine needs to get alcohol, and it gets it by, the sugar. So the first thing is, I feel the softness of it. And this actually does feel about right. So then I'm going to put it in, I'm going to taste it. There usually will be about a pair of seeds to every berry. It's not always the case. It's like, some people have twins and triplets and all that. So that happens, or sometimes just the single. But so I want you to taste it, taste the texture of it, taste the sweetness of it. Keep the seeds. Don't swallow the seeds. I'm sorry. Don't swallow the seeds. We're going to use those. So hold on to them. Take them.
Nice and sweet.
It is. Now, I have one seed.
I think I swallowed. I got one seed.
Did you
as well.
swallow it? Take another bite.
Oh, Velma.
You're gonna have a vineyard in your stomach.
So, if you look at your seed, so Deborah's seed look perfect.
Okay.
Mine look. I would continue going down because I would say this is not ready yet.
Because you want the seed to be a little brown, right?
Yeah,
Not green.
Oh,
That's
yeah,
right.
Because I got some green ones at first. Yeah.
And
Yeah, see,
Nice
green.
brown,
These are-
yeah.
Yeah, these are
mine are
super
still
green.
a little green, but they're not bitter. So I would default to Deborah's. Did you already try yours?
Yeah. It's yummy.
Yeah, mine was sweet too, but my seed's pretty green.
Oh, yours are